Look at this little precious I found. Gotta be careful for the mama. But we found his nest, but he keeps jumping out of it. We don't know why, and he can't even fly yet. So yeah. Say hi! Yeah. We were holding him, so I'll show you a picture of it. And he's just so cute. I want to stay out here so he doesn't get eaten by any like cat or something. So he's just right here, chilling. And I think that right there is the mama. But I'm gonna go show you the nest really quick. The nest is right there. There's some other birds in there. Let me go back to the bird. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.